Writing articles, descriptions, tagline, headline, blog posts, and emails can be challenging. Are you tired of staring at a blank page, struggling to find the right words? Even professional writers struggle with writer block. Today, I'm going to show you an AI writer assistant that can help you create high quality content in just seconds. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then let's get started. Welcome back. My name is Fumilayo from Bet Media, and today I will be showing you Rytr.me. Rytr.me is an AI writing assistant that would help you create high quality content. So to help you write your profile bios, your emails, your taglines, your YouTube description, your Facebook ad, whatever you need to write. So let's start writing. First, you need to create an account if you don't already have, and then you will be redirected to your dashboard. You can see here that there's a drop down to select the language that you would like to write. So there are different languages you can choose from. So I'm choosing English, and also to select the tone of your document or your email, whatever you want to write. I want my tone to be convincing, and then your use case. I would like to write an email. So then what is then the key point of an email? Let's imagine that I want to write an email to a client, like introducing them to Bet Media Agency. So I'm writing my emails to clients, telling them that Bet Media is the best for their branding and web design need, and we're located in Frankfurt, Germany. So let's see the number of variants. Let's have 3 variants, and then the creativity level. Let's make it optimal, and then write for me. So it's writing our emails. So this is the email. Okay. So you can edit it. We're not 2 years, we're just 20 years, but 2 years. So and then we're Beth Media, a branding and web design agency located in Frankfurt, and we've been helping organizations and business like you. So with our experienced team, okay. And then there are 3 options to choose from. Are you looking to build your brand? Look no further. Beth Media, your premium web design and branding agency. Okay. And then the next one, we're delighted to introduce you to Beth Media, a design agency based in Frankfurt that provides branding and web design service. Okay, I see that. So you see, in just seconds, you've gotten emails that you can write to clients. You can write your blog post. So let's choose like a different tone, a compassionate tone. So you see, it will write it with a compassionate tone. You understand the branding is more than creating the logo, designing a website. And so you can choose different options. So whether you want to make an ad, you want to make an interview question, job description, keyword generation, or your description, profile bios, question and answer, or even song lyrics, whatever you want to do, you can do it. You can do it, yeah. And it is absolutely free. So that's it for you guys. That's it for this video. Let me know if you'll be trying Rytr.me. I know I'll definitely be trying it to get my video descriptions and also my emails. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.